how to log in or sign in to Charles SCHWAB mobile app. So if you want to log in or sign into your Charles SCHWAB mobile app, then first you need to open up your application. So make sure to install the application from your Play Store or your App Store. Once you've installed, open the application, and now you can simply go for the login page, or it will automatically take you to the login page. And once you go for the login page, now here on the first blank, you need to enter the login ID of your SCHWAB Charles. So enter your login ID. Once you've entered, you need to simply tap on remember login ID if you want to save that ID on your mobile device. And once you tap on remember, you need to simply go for continue. But if you don't have an account, then you can go for open an account, and you can open your account on Charles SCHWAB. But if you already have an account, enter your login ID and tap on continue. But if you forgot your password, then you can go for forgot your password, and you can reset or recover your password. But if you remember, then enter your password and tap on continue, and that's it. You'll be logged into your account on Charles SCHWAB. So that's how you log in, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.